Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, I will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, and the date will be 25th August 2021. Let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, if you observe the price action in daily time frame, you see that from this resistance point, I have already marked the resistance level. Like this was the resistance level which I have already marked. So from there we got the sellers. See, this is the candle which states that sellers are in force, right? So today what happened is buyers came into force, and the price is almost near to the high of this 18th August candle. The high was 1565, and today's high is 1564.50. 50% difference from this candle, right? So I'm expecting a breakout of this resistance trend line in tomorrow's trading session. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find any 15 minutes candle closing above this, you can initiate a buy trade. Any 15 minutes candle closing above 1565, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below 1565. See, this was the resistance level, right? If this high breaks, the resistance will turn to a support, right? So if any 15 minutes candle closing above 1565, initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below this 1565 level, and your take profit should be, your first take profit should be, so you can see this even this level is correlating with the previous resistance, right? So your first take profit should be at this level 1588. So any 15 minutes candle closing above 1565, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below 1565, and your take profit should be at 1588. The next stock is Wipro. Wipro, this is 1 hour chart. Already I have marked the levels. This is the support level. So this is the support level. This is the resistance level. So currently the price is moving in a symmetrical triangle. So in case of any 15 minutes candle closing above this resistance level, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below this resistance level, and your take profit should be at this swing point. Your first take profit should be at this. Let's take the round number of 640. Your first take profit should be at 640, and your next take profit will be depends upon the price action. So as the stock is at the lifetime high, if this crosses, it is a lifetime high. So you need to check for the next target. You need to keep on observing the candles. If you find any bearish candles at this higher level, you can book the profit at that moment. Okay, any 15 minutes candle closing above this resistance trend line. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame itself. Any 15 minutes candle closing above this resistance trend line, do wait for the pullback. With a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade. The next stock is Varun Brewery. Varun Beverages Limited. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. This is the resistance level. Previously it was a resistance, though it has given, the price has given breakout above this, it will act as a support now, right? So already I have marked the levels. You can observe these red arrows. This is where the price has taken the resistance. Multiple times it has taken the resistance. It has given breakout. Now it is at the same support level. After the breakout of the resistance, it will turn to a support, right? So currently it is at the support level. And we got the trend line too. See, we got the support trend line. In tomorrow's trading session, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. We have an, we can mark this minor resistance level. So in tomorrow's trading session, you are supposed to buy this stock only at these levels. If you find any good candlestick confirmation at this support level, which comes around 800 round level, you can initiate a buy trade, or else you can buy above this swing point, minus swing point. Let me take this point. See here, the price has consolidated at this level. Here the price was consolidating with this level. In case of any breakout candle above this level, any 15 minutes candle closing above this 820 level, you can initiate a buy trade. But make sure, in case with a good candlestick confirmation, if you buy, make sure you are closing at this level. Make sure you are booking profit at this. Let's take the round number of 835. Make sure you are booking the profit at this 835 level, because as this is a huge sell candle, there is a higher possibility that again the stock might face the resistance at this level. Again the stock might face resistance at this level. So either plan to buy at 800 level or after the breakout of 820 level. So after the breakout, do wait for the pullback. With a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade. Your take profit should be at 835 level. Your stop loss will be below this level, below this 820. 4 to 5 points is enough. The stop loss should be 4 to 5 points. In case you are buying this after the breakout, the best entry will be at this level, around 800 level. With a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate buy trade. If you didn't get the entry, you can initiate a buy trade after the breakout. The next stock is Inox. This is 1 hour time frame chart. This is the resistance level. So this is the support level. This is where the stock was facing support. I have already marked the support level with the blue arrow and the resistance with the red arrow. Once after the breakdown of this support level, it faced the resistance at this level for the 2 times. So currently it has given the breakdown. If you check the candlesticks in daily time frame, you see that after the bearish candle, if you observe the 23rd August candle, it was a bearish candle, right? So today's candle is inside candle, means it's kind of a harami candle. The open low, the high and low prices within this candle, right? So basically it is an inside candle. So in tomorrow's trading session, your first entry will be at this level 308. Sell at 308. Your stop loss will be 313. Let me mark the level. Sell at 308. Your stop loss will be at 313, and your first take profit should be at 304, and your next take profit should be at 297. Why 297 is the ultimate profit level? Let me go to the daily time frame. You see, this is from this point the stock was, from this point buyers came into force, and the price is, then the price couldn't fall below this level, 382 level. Even though it falls below this level, immediately buyers are coming into force. So make sure you are closing this position at 297 level. So your entry should be at 308, stop loss should be 313, first take profit should be 304, and the next take profit should be at 297. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. Hope you guys like the analysis. So for daily analysis videos like this, do make sure you're subscribing this channel. Thank you.